Welcome to Blue Peter Marine, your legislation specialist for marine compliance. Let us be your helping hand to guide you through the maze of marine legislations. Today we're presenting our suite of ISO compliance calculators and testing tools that make certification faster, easier and more accurate. Marine certification requires precise calculation and meticulous testing. Meeting ISO standards means complex formulas, detailed measurements and zero margin for error. Until now, these calculations meant spreadsheets, reference books and hours of work. We've built something better. Our ISO 13297 electrical calculator takes the complexity out of electrical system compliance. Enter your vessel electrical specification and the tool instantly calculates whether your installation meets ISO 13297 standard for electrical systems on small craft. No more manual calculation, no more second guessing. Just enter your conductor size in square millimeter or convert from AVG. Enter your project number, add a conductor name, system voltage, load current of the consumer, conductor length, cross-section of conductor and temperature rating of conductor. Add to list and repeat with the next conductor. You will receive the voltage drop and percentage, the status and the maximum amp capacity. You can also calculate the derating factor if you bundle more conductors. Just enter your values and get immediate compliance verification. The calculator handles conductor sizing, circuit protection and system capacity automatically. Ensure your electrical installation passes inspection for the first time. The ISO 11591 Object Avoidance Test tool simplifies field testing for recreational craft maneuverability certification. This standard establishes precise criteria for how a vessel must perform when avoiding obstacles, and our tool walks you through each step of the testing process. Enter your test condition, hull length, waterline length, maximum speed and type of propulsion into the calculator. The system evaluates your data against ISO 11591 requirement and instantly determine maximum speed test limit, the test speed to use and the distance from avoidance line. You'll receive comprehensive documentation formatted for inclusion in your certification file. Our ISO 10239 LPG Ventilation Calculator ensures your gas installation meets safety standards. Enter your nominal input rating of fluid and unfluid appliances in kilowatts. The tool calculates required effective area and opening required as per ISO 10239. Instant results mean you can verify compliance on-site during inspection or design reviews. Similar ease of use for petrol systems. The ISO 11105 Petrol Ventilation Calculator handles gasoline engine compartment ventilation requirements. Input your engine compartment type, for example, tank compartment only, your gross compartment volume, your volume of fixed equipment, your total fuel capacity and the tank type, fixed or portable specification. Get immediate calculations for required ventilation capacity, ensuring your installation meets ISO 11105 safety standard for petrol ventilation. The GZ Max calculator can be particularly useful for multi-hull calculations. For catamarans, GZ Max behavior is fundamentally different from monohull. Catamarans have radically different stability compared to monohull. The GZ Max, that's the maximum righting moment, is huge compared to monohulls. This Z max point, once the windward hull lift, completely out of the water, stability vanishes quickly. So the input parameters are the mass of the boat, here minimum operation 12,520, the length of the waterline, the beam of the waterline. Take into account that for a multi-hull the beam of the waterline is twice the beam of the waterline of one hull. And then the beam center of buoyancy. Calculate the GZ max and you will receive your GZ max in degrees. ISO 15084, anchoring, mooring and towing strong points. The owner's manual must mention that the boat manufacturer shall provide information on the breaking strength of the strong points. The breaking strength of lines chain shall in general not exceed 80% of the breaking strength of the respective strong point. Thus, here is an app to calculate the minimum strength of your cleats. And the hull length, waterline length, load displacement mass, MLDC, and design category, and calculate strength requirements.